Let's understand why statement 4, y equals open parenthesis x equals 2 close parenthesis contains a syntax error in Python. Let's break down the difference between the assignment operator equals and the equality comparison operator double equals in Python. The single equals is used for assignment. It assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. The double equals operator is used for comparison. It checks if two values are equal and returns true or false. Let's analyze why each statement is valid or invalid. Statement 1x equals 2 is valid. It assigns 2 to x. Statement 2, y equals x is valid. It assigns the value of x to y. Statement 3, y equals x double equals 2 is valid. It assigns the result of the comparison x double equals 2 to y. Similarly, statement 5, y equals open parenthesis x double equals 2 close parenthesis is valid. The parentheses just group the comparison operation. However, statement 4, y equals open parenthesis x equals 2 close parenthesis is invalid and causes a syntax error. This is because the assignment operator equals cannot be used inside parentheses or as part of a larger expression. It can only be used at the statement level. To fix statement 4, you would either need to separate the assignments into two statements like this x equals 2, then y equals x, or if you want to check equality, use the double equals operator instead. Y equals open parenthesis x double equals 2 close parenthesis. Remember, in Python, the single equals operator is for assignment and can only be used at the statement level, while the double equals operator is for comparison and can be used within expressions.